Hi everyone, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Today we're going to learn how to do increased stitches in your projects. For this project, you'll need some yarn and a crochet hook. Let's get started. I've already started on this project, so just follow along. For this project, we're going to do 5 single crochets before we increase on the 6th stitch. So an increased stitch just means that we put 2 single crochet into 1 stitch on the project. Now you can see there are 2 stitches in my 1 stitch on the project. We'll continue this until we finish the round unless our pattern tells us otherwise. I hope this helps you in your crochet journey. Please like and subscribe for more contents in the future.